What is up, Tasers? Mabuhay Tasers. It's been a while, and in this video we're just going to talk about the reason why I stopped making content. Mabuhay Tasers. Well, I know it's been almost 5 or more months since the last time I created a review video. The reason why I've been MIA since last year, I think that's around 5 months or more, it's because of my day job. That's one of the reasons. I'm also a video editor on my day job, so having a lot of videos to edit and needs a bit of a time management, and during that time it's really hard for me to do that. Second thing is that I have been focusing on my small business as a filmmaker, as a video editor for certain companies such as Mad Elephant PH and a few projects with Altitude Digital. Last year was a very busy year for me, and it was also a very successful year. And I would like to also give a shout out to Mad Elephant PH and Altitude Digital for giving me a lot of opportunities last year, and also to Sir Hector and Sir Saddam for trusting my skills and for giving me a lot of great experience in our previous projects. And as you all know, one of the main reasons why I couldn't film most of my review videos, and I've been complaining about this, it's because of my studio. And we were blessed. We were able to somehow save money to, have this renovation for this mini studio of mine. And so yeah, I'm really proud to announce that I have my own mini studio office to record these kind of videos. And we've done a lot of things in this tiny room. I did some research, and syempre, I also asked a few of our friends who are content creators, especially with Gary Sineta. I've been asking him a lot about to have a bit of a sound treatment. So he suggested that I should put a rock wool on the walls, and that's what I did. We bought a bunch of rock wools, and it's a bit expensive, but I believe it's worth it, because somehow the sound that is coming from outside is not that dominant compared to before. And I also don't hear any sound coming up from the ceiling because we also put some of the rock wools up there with some insulators. But my main goal here is to dampen the sound that is coming from the outside of this room. That has been my major problem before. Although it is not 100% fully soundproof, but it does the job well, I think, as you can hear in my voice. And besides the sounds, we also had to clear up a lot of things in here. So I want this room to be more flexible in terms of how I film. So I want the room to be set up the way I want it whenever I need it. And of course, this is not only just my studio, and most of the time me and my wife will be spending a lot of time in here doing our jobs. But before we get any further about the real topic, I wanted you guys to know that I'm back, and I'm going to do more videos, tech gear reviews for this channel. And I hope you guys don't unsubscribe to this channel, because I got tons of backlogs on my list to review. And not only that, I'm also planning to revive or to do more artworks video in this channel. So for those of you who are into art, I believe I'm going to produce a few more videos regarding art. And I'm actually inspired by Kenneth Sorillo because he loves filming and he also loves drawing. And as you all know, my first love really is digital art, and I just wanted to try something out. That's the reason why I ventured into filming. And shout out to you, Kenneth Sorillo. you have been a great part of this decision of mine to, combine filmmaking and digital art as the foundation of this channel. And also lastly, I would also like to thank our friends from LensGo for trusting this channel and for announcing my renewal of being an ambassador for them this 2023. So expect a lot of contents regarding LensGo microphones in the coming months, and I will do my very best to produce these contents even though I have a busy schedule. And also I'm trying to do this video kasi medyo kinakansawa na ako ni Junil Pero ngayon mag-i-review na ako kay Junil. So expect that. If there's anything you want me to review or to discuss about filmmaking or digital art, just leave a comments below. And that's it guys. I hope you like this video and I hope you like that I'm going back to doing contents again. Before anything else, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to this channel and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video guys. TASE visuals.